If you live in France and you're struggling to understand casual spoken French, I'll share a few steps to help you understand better and respond confidently when French people talk to you. Practice daily listening exercises. It can be a YouTube channel with YouTube videos in French, like vlogging, anything that you like, but that you will commit to listen to every day. I've learned a lot English and Spanish through TV series. Before, I watched a lot of TV series with the subtitles. It really helped me to improve my spoken English and spoken Spanish and to understand them much better. What I recommend you to is to write down the words and sentences that you find useful for your daily life in France. Write them down in your phone so you can have them always if needed. And only watch TV series with daily life scenes. Nothing historic or... It's nice, but you will not learn the actual spoken French. I can recommend you some series and YouTube channels if you want. Let me know in the comments if it's something you'd like me to share. In French, we use a lot filler words. Try to notice the words French people repeat a lot. If you have a French teacher, just ask them what it means. It happens often with my students. They would be like, they are always saying this word. What does it mean? And sometimes it's just something really like du coup, which means donc, which means so. And once you know like 10, 20 of them, it's gonna be much easier to understand everything because you will be able to notice when they use filler words, so you can just let them either understand them or just being like, okay, this is not useful, like the ba or bon ba. And by the way, I've created a free ebook showing how the French really speak in real life. The shortcuts, the slangs, and all the phrases you actually need for your daily life in France. Predict meaning from gestures, tone, and situations. French people speak a lot with facial expressions. It's so normal for us, and it's so funny to see that it's not normal for many other people. I speak a lot with my face, let's be honest, and my partner, my Argentinian partner, was quite surprised. He was like, why are you doing this face?
Why? Why?
Or why are you doing so many things with your face? I don't notice it, it's just so normal for me. And it's actually a language, literally, a body language. So he will also explain to his family what it means, like... Not only the facial expressions, but also the little words we do with our mouth, like... Je sais pas. His family didn't know what I meant when I was doing that. Pay attention to these, it's quite interesting. And if you start using them, it's even nicer. Okay, a huge part of casual spoken French is shortening the words. And even simple phrases can seem very overwhelming or difficult to get. So what I recommend you to do is recognizing some of the shortened ways we use the most. For example, je ne sais pas becomes je sais pas. Also, most of the French drop the ne, so for the negation. So sometimes they can say je sais pas, je sais pas, je sais pas. Il y a becomes y a. Il y a des croissants. We would say y a des croissants. Je suis can become je suis là, I'm here, je suis là. Tu es will become t'es. Tu es sympa, t'es sympa. Once you know the common ones, it's going to be much easier for you. Those types of shortened words are not that easy to get during a conversation. So what you would need to do is to learn them before or be able to recognize them, which is something that is going to be easier for you if you do it with a French teacher or with a French friend so they can explain to you. But it takes a bit of practice, for sure.
For sure.
Et voilà! Don't forget to download your free ebook. I'm sure it can really help you in your daily life in France with the slangs and understanding the French in daily life, not like in textbooks. And I'll see you soon for our next video. À bientôt!